Can anyone else make a vacuum like a Dyson vacuum? Well, worldwide, over 230 patents and patents pending protect Dyson technology, including root cyclone technology that outperforms all multi-cyclones, self-adjusting cleaner heads, and ball technology that improves maneuverability. So, if you want something that works like a Dyson vacuum, it needs to be a Dyson.
Take a few minutes and check out the link in the description. This may be exactly what you're looking for. If you're looking for results fast, click the link below this video now.